Hello all. This demo is about Primeng in Angular. So the people who are not aware about the Primeng, actually the Primeng is provide UI components. So you can see in the screen that all the components available by the Primeng are available in the left hand side, like auto complete checkbox, all the component whatever we required that are available. And here also it's a well documented where it is mentioned like how to use uh, those component in the Angular applications. So today we will discussing about the theming, like uh, for example, sometimes we come in the situation like where we want a different kind of themes. Though the control are the same, but the color combination will be a different. So to handle this, this demo is about that. Recently, the Prime upgraded to version 19, so where they made a lot of changes in UI component. So people are facing the many challenges to integrate those changes. So I will demonstrate how to use the Prime version 19 in Angular 19. So let's start. This is the Primeng organization URL where you can go through that and you can see the all components available here. So to start with that, you had to generate one a preset which is required in Primeng in not Angular to set the color. So to to do that, we need to click on this gear icon and in the theme designer, and you need to select the which is the base theme you want, like a material or anything. For example, I have selected Lara, and then whatever the color you want, that you also you can choose from here. uh, Once all the selection is done, then you can just click on apply, and once it is apply, then you need to click on the download button. Once you download, then there will be a one theme file will be a download that you need to add into the Angular project. So that the file is all I have already added in my project that I will show you in this Angular project. This is the Angular application with the Angular version 19, and also I have installed the Primeng 19 that you can see. uh, you can see here. So it is the Primeng 19 version, and the file which we had just recently downloaded, that I have added in the asset folder as a base preset. I made a small changes in that file, like I gonna mark this as a exports because I want to use in some other of the places. So that's the reason I mark it as a export. And below the code, whatever exists, that I have removed. Okay, and then once this added, I have created a few theme folders, uh, like AW theme and NI theme. So these are the folder where the whatever the custom changes I needed, that I have added in this folder. For example, to demonstrate here in this uh, demo, what I have done is like I have added one button, Primeng button, in the app component, and I want to change the color of the button based on the theme selection. So this is the very simple change I have done. Like I have added a class and where I changing the color as a to the red, and in another theme I am changing to the color as a green. So also I have added one more folder, one more file, that is theme config. In the theme config, I have defined the preset. This is how actually we have to configure the themes in the Angular, where we have to define the preset, the file which we recently downloaded, uh, that object we have to assign here. And then in the CSS layer we have to define the which theme we want. So this is, for example, I have created since we have created two themes, so that's the reason I have created these two themes object. One is a NI theme, another is a AW theme config. And moving to this we have here, we have to mention that what kind of order we want to render. Like on the first, it should be bind with the Primeng, and then whatever the custom changes what we want, that we have to mention. So that's the reason we have to define AW theme. So this AW theme is actually one CSS layer that we have defined in this theme CSS file, where I have created one layer as a AW theme, where all the changes required for the AW theme that I have added or imported here. Similarly, if I have whatever the changes required for the NI theme, that I have imported here. So in this application, we have changed only to the only one thing we have changed in the theme, that is the changing the color. But in the real time, there will be a many changes based on the requirement. Okay, let's go and see how it look like in the Angular section. Currently, app theme is actually yeah. One more thing is like the whatever the objects we created, that we have to assign as a provider. In the provider places, we have to provide whatever the theme we have selected. For example, here I have selected as a NI theme, so that's the reason the color are changed to are in orange color. Now let's change this to uh, other theme. Then let's see. Okay, now this automatically change color to the green. So this is we can make the custom changes into the theme as per our requirement. Yeah, this code will be available in a GitHub, and you can download, and you can make the changes whatever the you required in the themes. Uh, yeah, thank you.